If you've ever felt nervous right before you go live, like your heart is racing or like you're overthinking what to say, this is why that's happening. And once you understand this, it becomes a lot easier for you to show up. A lot of creators think that something is wrong with them when they feel nervous. They think, I'm not ready yet, or I need a little bit more confidence, right? Or I need practice first. But the truth is, almost everyone feels this at the beginning. I've seen this with so many people getting started with live content. They'll plan to go live, they'll get everything ready, and then right before they start, they hesitate. They delay, they overthink it, or they cancel it altogether. Not because they don't want to do it, but because they feel like they're not ready. That nervous feeling doesn't come from going live. It comes from not knowing what's going to happen once you go live. So let me show you how to fix this very quickly. Most nervousness comes from uncertainty. So if you don't know what you're going to say, you're going to feel very nervous. So before you go live, keep it simple. Know what your topic is. What's the first sentence that you're going to say? What is it that you're going to want to explain, right? That's it. You don't need a full script, just a very clear starting point. Now, once you have a plan, here's what helps even more. A lot of that pressure comes from trying to do everything perfectly, saying the right words, looking a certain way, right? Not trying to make any mistakes. But live content isn't about perfection. It's about the connection that you make. People don't expect perfection. They just want you to be real, right? So now here's the part that changes everything. Instead of thinking, what is everyone going to think about me, right? Shift your focus to how can I help one person right now, okay? That small shift takes that pressure that you feel off of your shoulders, and it puts the focus on actually helping. And when you focus on helping, that nervousness actually starts to fade away. And this last one is the fastest way to actually build confidence. Confidence doesn't come before you go live. It actually comes after you've gone live a few times. The more that you do it, the more normal and familiar that it feels to you. The first few times might feel very uncomfortable, but after a while, it becomes a lot easier. So if you feel nervous before going live, here's what's really happening. You don't have a clear plan. You're trying to be perfect, and you're focused on yourself instead of helping. But the good news is you don't need to wait until you feel confident. Confidence comes from doing it, not from thinking about it. Now, if you want help getting more comfortable going live, growing your audience, and building real momentum, join my free Facebook group called Go Live and Grow. That's where I share more strategies and help you improve your live shows. The link is in the description below. All right, friend, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your support, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this episode, then like and subscribe to support Brand Impact 365 with LaMorvielle. And if you are struggling with your brand impact, then watch the next video.